G'day fellas, you're watching this video, you've likely just bought yourself a bolt cover kit to suit XG500. I'll give you a couple of little hints on how to fit these things up. They are not ideal, and the reason that I made these kits up is because some guys were buying my individual 10-piece sets and trying to fit them up, and I was back and forth with messages forever. So I've made this video and I have made up a kit. It is not ideal, but it will work, and you should be happy with it. So I had these custom made, the smallest size I had them made with a thinner wall. All right, so they're stupidly thin, and what that means is that it's only available in solid black or chrome, not contrast cut. There's just not enough material there to do a machine line. I'll give you a look at some of the issues that you will have. To start with, there is no covers in the kit for these two here. These two are likely to be your problem ones, or the ones that will give you the most dramas to fit. The reason being is that the bolt is hard up against the casing itself. They'll be tricky, you can get them on there. They will sit hard up against the casing. It's a good thing it's not beautiful gloss black or chrome. Yeah, you can risk scratching it, but I think if you take your time, you'll be fine. The other problem is the rocker boxes. So these bolt covers have a spring-loaded retainer in there. It puts spring-loaded pressure on the bolt head itself. What you're going to have to do is get a flathead screwdriver just for these 10 rocker box ones, and bend these fingers out slightly, inward slightly, if that makes sense. Bend those slightly inward, and then they'll pop onto there and you'll have no dramas. You can also just use dot of silicone, use some wax and grease remover, clean them up, pop them on there. Obviously when your tank's on, you may not see some of these ones. You're going to probably end up with spares from areas that you can't see. But what it will cover is the pulley guard. I think there's about 5 plus 1 up the top here, 6. You got the big ones under here, the 11.5s, engine mount onto the other side. Sorry, this bike is an absolute pig. I use it to to get measurements and whatnot off. So all the way around the that cover there, rocker boxes, frame mount, engine mount, starter motor. These are the contrast, so ignore that. I haven't fitted these out with the black ones. I'm just doing a count. But yes, you will not be able to get the contrast in these small ones, so I won't make that available on the kit. If you did like the look of these contrast ones, you can buy them in the 10-piece kit available on the website. Just get it as an add-on. This will be somewhat of a budget kit in comparison to some of the others, mainly because it's not going to be as many pieces as most of the other bolt cover kits. But you get the idea. If you want them, buy them. If you don't, because they're going to be too fiddly, then yeah, don't buy them. Good on yous.